guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bianca. If you're always here, what's up? Welcome back. You guys should definitely subscribe and stick around though if you're just stopping by because it's a really good time over here. But we are getting ready to head to the gym to do leg day. Here's the leg day outfit wearing Whitney Simmons collection. She did do a restock yesterday and I put it on my Instagram story and a lot of you messaged that you got to buy some more things, so that's really good. I don't even know if they're gonna be doing another restock, but they didn't restock this sports bra, so I'm wearing a black one, which I don't know why, because all the other ones were in stock, but it's okay. We are gonna start off the vlog with the positivity motivational part of the vlog. Here's the gym outfits of the Gymshark. Okay, so today we are talking about...
It's not a question.
It's not a question, sorry.
It's a tip.
It's a tip, yeah. So we are talking about, Colin always says how you can have a cup and fill it with clear water, or you can have a cup and fill it with dirty water. So monitoring the type of like
media you take in every day.
Thank you, sorry.
No, you're good. I just figured.
Thanks.
So like who you follow on like social media, if they're like positive or if they post negative stuff.
Yeah, you don't want to. You're not gonna feel inspired or motivated or positive if you're following people who always continuously bring negativity or are negative or like anything like that. I literally probably like a year ago, and I could probably do like an updated version of this, went through and just unfollowed a bunch of people who didn't add value to my life. And it's not because I didn't like them or it's because I thought they were a terrible person. It's just because personally, like what I want to see online wasn't what they were producing. So like, it's not like, it's not a mean thing to do. It's like you worrying about yourself. Like, you're the only one that matters.
Yeah, I think the whole point of this is you have to actually understand that everything you take in every single day directly affects you. And it's something that not everyone knows. I didn't know that for a while, but it directly affects your mood, your mental state, like the things you're gonna be putting out. So if you're taking in negative content on social media or in the news, you're gonna then react and give out negative like energy. Yeah. So you need to be thinking about everything you take in on a daily basis. Even music. Music's a big one. If you're listening to like sad, depressing music all the time, it's literally gonna put you in like a slump. And then also, just there's this quote on our wall, and it pretty much has to do with this topic. Yeah, that's honestly how we thought of it. This is from the brand Decenio, by the way, but it says your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. So that's on our wall. You can also work hard and be nice to people if you want and make shit happen. That was just a little reminder. What'd you say? I said mucho importante.
Yeah, very important. Just, I'm gonna put that there while I put on my sweatshirt. Just like a tad little bit of a reminder to really just clear it up, you know?
Every single day that don't know why they're upset and are like, how do I get out of this? How do I get out of that? Always asking questions and like trying to figure out how to do stuff. This is definitely a really big way to start improving and moving in a positive direction if you feel like you've been stuck, or if you feel like you don't know how to do something or stay motivated. You literally have to start taking in mainly only motivating stuff and cutting out the negative stuff that you're taking in every day. So like negative music, negative television, like the news that's like putting on tons of dramatic stuff to make you get upset.
Negative
and
people
then negative people.
Follow.
So like you gotta like cut out those things and like start taking in only the good things. And then that's just gonna like literally start changing a lot.
Yeah, so true. Anyways, so this morning I fixed our ice machine. I'm basically wife material.
Did you?
Made it to the gym. We had to sit in the car and wait for a minute because Colin forgot to charge his earphones on the way here. And now we're itchy and I have to go to the bathroom and I feel really uncomfortable and yeah.
I'm really itchy.
Yeah.
And you're out of shampoo.
I'm out of shampoo, so I told you guys that in yesterday's vlog, but I just looked online and it's made in Australia, and so I was gonna buy it from the Australian website. They sell it at like Sephora and stuff too, and I can literally get it from anywhere, but I was just like, sometimes I just like buying from the actual website just so I know it's like the good stuff. And then they were gonna charge me $70 to ship it from Australia to here. Shit. I know, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it on Sephora, but I'll just buy it after we leave. But also, what I did have to buy from Australia was this like texturizing spray that literally they used on my hair, and like it doesn't sell to the US yet on US companies, and it's like amazing and it smells so good.
And what, they used it when you went?
Yeah. and it was like so good. They're like, this is like the bomb.
Wow, that must have been.
It's like desert dry texturizing spray. Yeah.
Because it definitely looked different.
Yeah, right?
Like even than the last time you got it done.
Yeah, I know. And it's new. And so they're like, you have to buy it. And like, you have to buy it from Australia.
It sucks.
I know. But it's so worth it. Once it comes in, I'll tell you guys about it. $30.
But what's shipping? 70?
No, it was only like $10 for shipping because it doesn't weigh that much.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's why, because I was like, oh, I'll just have to buy the shampoo and conditioner later because I was trying to buy it all at once. And then it was going to charge me like $70 for shipping.
Yeah, that's
so then I'm just going to buy the
crazy.
shampoo and conditioner from the United States. But I'm buying that stuff from Australia because I care about my hair and I want that texturizing spray. I also am like super torn because all my like sister friends are like, no, Bianca, like keep your hair long. But I like this length better, like than how long it was before.
I think you're like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna be real here.
You think I'm overthinking?
I think you're way overthinking this. It's not that big of a difference, but I think it looks better the way it is right now.
Me
it's
too.
Literally just a little healthier and a little more short.
Yeah,
It's like that much more short.
It just looks a little more natural. And like when Madison puts my next row in, I'm just gonna have her cut the next row just like a little bit. So it's like still, whatever, it's fine. I'll figure it out. I do like it like this a lot though. Let's go to the gym, please. Okay. We're at the gym. Sit squats.
Box squats.
Box squats, sit squats, whatever you want to call it. Colin's gonna die because he lifted too much weight. My mom just stopped by for a little bit and I finally got ready. I'm wearing jeans. I should probably wash these. I'll do that one day. I'm wearing jeans and just this black shirt because we're going to Connor's football game tonight and their school colors are black and purple and I don't wear purple, so I'm gonna wear black. Okay, so I'm quickly about to edit a video because it has to be submitted like ASAP because I'm working on a campaign in that video, which is exciting. But yeah, also I got a very fun package today for a future video. I literally am sad I can't tell you about it, but just know I'm like really freaking excited, okay? I can't believe I get to work with that company. Anywho, here's the outfit, super plain, super simple. I'm all about tucking in my shirts lately these days. I don't know what it is, and I'm really hungry and I don't know what to eat. So I got my video edited. That's always just kind of like a big stress relief because, you know, some technical difficulties and stuff. Well, it's uploading, so I guess I shouldn't speak too soon. But for a snack today, I'm doing my spinach and herb wrap with chicken sausage and eggs and everything but the bagel seasoning. Really like it a lot for a snack. And then I'm about to do some more work, emails, Pinterest work, because I freaking love Pinterest and like you can really grow your business on Pinterest, okay? And then yeah, just kind of like a working Friday. I think we're gonna make a bomb dinner, so stay tuned for that. I also read your comments and a lot of you want me to combine the dinners into one video. So I think that'll actually be really fun and that's probably gonna end up coming soon. I'll probably work on it this coming week. Oh, we should hang that sign. Colin, do you wanna hang that sign? Okay, he didn't say yes, but I'll ask him in a second. You guys missed it, but I just had an amazing little conference call with Bria, who is another influencer. She actually works with the same management company as me. I literally love her. If you do not know who Bria is, look up on Instagram, Bria Jones, or YouTube. She's literally hilarious. Like, some people are like, oh, Bianca, you're so funny. No, Bria is funny. You need to follow Bria. I'm just trying to help you out, okay? I'm gonna start shouting out other influencers in my videos to, like, you know, like, I just think it's fun. Like, just give a shout out. So follow Bria, I love her so much. This is currently what, oh no, is there a stud?
No, but God, it's just hard for me to say.
Oh, okay. We're hanging up the work hard and be nice to people sign. It's all coming together. It literally, let me just give you like a big little, let me give you a big little little look. I can't talk. You know what we haven't talked about before is what we're gonna do here. So, right here on this huge wall in our entryway.
I think I'm good.
Oh, what's up? Oh, it looks really good. Anyways, there's these 2 wooden art pieces that we want so bad from Etsy, but they're literally like $1,000. I don't have $1,000 to spend on that. So we're gonna wait a minute, but I'll insert the pictures right there. But they're literally perfect. So cool. They do. Like wood art. Like it's wood art, and it's basically like me and Colin on a plank of wood, and it's like perfect. I really wanted to keep this area very simple. I definitely think we should put something on that wall of some sort. We're just gonna have to like, actually I don't know. We need a big plant for that corner, and then move that plant to this side and the pillows over there. To like fill this space right here. Maybe some like drawers down here or something, like some cabinet drawers, because we like need some drawers for our stuff. And then I don't really know what to do on that wall yet, but we'll figure it out. What are you thinking right now?
That board is a little crooked and it's pissed me off.
What?
Yeah, I'm kind of mad.
I didn't even notice. Oh, I guess it is. It's okay. Leveler out, leveler, and the board is so even, it's not even funny. That makes no sense. Anyways, I'm about to put up this video. I feel dehydrated. He's cutting up chicken. I have no idea what he's doing with it. Apparently he's thirsty too. I made us like a little mini guac snack. The potatoes are in the oven. I don't know why we always eat potatoes. We really like potatoes.
Right now it is the starch of choice.
Yeah, right now it's just the starch of choice. Do you want to go to Trader Joe's and load up on some other starch of choices?
I told her that I really want to try and make some like bomb fried rice. So bad. So bad.
So we just need to venture out, but we're kind of in a hurry and we know how to make those, so.
Potatoes are almost done actually.
Yeah, but the potatoes is just like a really good like source of like a complex carb, you know?
It's easy.
And it's easy. We innovate our veggies sometimes. I'm trying to put this video up so hard for you guys.
Salmon was excellent.
Yeah, the salmon, he did good when we made salmon. We should just make a cookbook.
I think that, okay, you know what the problem was? Last time we got salmon, it was frozen and pre-seasoned.
Oh.
This time, it was unfrozen, unseasoned, and we could like do what we wanted with it.
So if you're buying salmon, buy unfrozen, unseasoned, and do what you want with it. Someone teach me and Colin how to be early to Connor's football games. I'm ready to go. Hey, we're matching. Okay, we're headed to Connor's football game. This time they play Butler. It's not at home. If you were wondering, Colin's little brother, Connor, goes to the same high school that Colin and I went to. So every time we have to go to a home game, we have to go back to our high school. So it's a little rough. So we're very happy that the game is at Butler. I always feel so dehydrated at these football games, so I literally filled up my hydro so I could drink the whole thing.
And share half of it.
Are you sure?
You take half my friggin' water every day.
Okay, so we're on our way. My mom, somehow I'm still getting packages from my mom's, and she just called me and told me that she has a package, an unknown package that I did not buy. So I'm a little curious, but I can't get it today, so that'll be in this weekend's vlog. We're gonna test out Colin's directional skills to see if we can make it to Butler. What do you guys do? What's your Friday routine? Because right now our Friday routine is going to Connor's games, and that's like the main priority of our Fridays. Yeah, you know, you can go straight. Okay. Yeah, so comment down below. Do you do something every single Friday? Let me know. Today my dad and Tara told me that they are getting Chinese food and being at home, so that's their Friday routine.
Sounds like fun.
I know, right? Doesn't that sound like fun?
Wow.
I told them that sounded like so much fun. We should have done that with them. But we're happy to go to Connor's game. Don't get me wrong. We're supporting Connor. But, yeah. The vlog team hasn't met Connor yet. I think Connor and Colin look very similar.
We do.
Yeah.
I know we do.
Okay.
Yeah.
They look so similar.
I'm not gonna dispute it at all.
Comment down below if Connor should be in a vlog. All these girls are gonna want to see Connor. Oh, they all want Colin. They're gonna want to see Connor. Connor's taken. You can't have him.
Connor's probably a bit.
Okay, so we're back from Connor's game. They didn't win. It's fine. We're gonna be watching this video and like the next couple videos out of order, just because I had a campaign and a sponsored video that was supposed to go live, and then it just like things happen sometimes, and so it's gonna end up going live soon. The videos are just gonna be uploaded out of order, but that's like no problem, it's okay. This week is just gonna be like a little funky, but the videos are still coming. It's just like in a different order just because I have to have permission to be able to post. So that's that. Colin's in the shower and then I'm getting in the shower and then we are going to bed. We can start our weekend tomorrow at Orange Theory. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me on this good old Friday. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed, because it's just naturally fate that you're here, so might as well subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.